Softer just released Softer AI. This is going to allow you to start making money using the power of AI. Now, they're integrating using OpenAI that brought you Chat GBT, Dolly 2, and others. And now they're allowing it to integrate, connect to Softer so you can start building websites faster using AI. And you can even allow your customers to use the power of AI and create their own images. So, what does that mean? That means that you can create your own micro SaaS, your software as a service, to allow people to use AI straight from your website. Let's dive in a little bit more. Now, the announcement that they said on Twitter, I'm just going to read it. It says, now you can generate images, copy with just a click of a robot, making the process of building your app even faster. Now, here are the three main releases. You can add AI generated images. If you're struggling, you can have it. And then this is the key point to really start making you money. Get your users involved. You can now allow users to generate images and copy with the brand with the new AI dynamic block. All right, so let's dive in and see what this looks like in real terms. Now, if you haven't used Softer yet, there's a link down below. You can get it free for a couple of months. And if you want to upgrade, you can get a discount with my code. Now, if you drop down, we're in the editor right here. And if you look at it, if you've ever created a website using Wix, Squarespace, it's very similar with these block sections. Now, say for instance, I go into this like header section or this one section where I can get the hero section, excuse me. Now, once I click on it, I can then look at the title and it says the simplest way to sell. Now, if you're looking at this little icon all the way to the right, it's kind of small right there. It's actually an outline of a robot. I can click that and it says copywriting generator. So give the main idea and the AI will create the text for you. So I'm going to say the business of making pies. I'm going to say that. Pie. So I enter the prompt, and it says making pies is a business that requires an extensive knowledge of baking. And okay, and then it's saying and. So I'm going to say add to that. So it added the and part, but I'm going to cut out and. And now we have it right here. Sorry, let me clicking too many buttons. Clicking too many buttons. So once I'm here, I can go over and then bam, I can cut out and, right? So we're just using AI to help us right there. Now that's the text. I can also click on the picture, the image, and I can say update image, and I can do assist generator. So now I can enter a prompt and it will generate an image for me. So I can just say making pies. Say try. And remember, AI is not perfect, but we'll see what it comes up with. Sometimes I might need to change the prompt. Maybe I need to, oh, look, yeah, it's making pies. So I can say use assist. And now it's about making pies. So again, it's integrating what's going on with OpenAI and all the different facets. And now it's bringing in what I have to do without integrating with different API requests, all these things. It's moving really quick. They just released this. So we just did that. The next part is, uh, it mentions the third part. You can get users involved. You can allow users to generate images and copy. Okay. So if you want to have another section, you see where it says the little plus sign, it comes up with browse different blocks. And right here, I can have artificial intelligence. And now I can have different sections right here where I can look OpenAI Dolly or OpenAI text generation. Click this bad boy right here. Now it's going to be generating. It's going to be thinking about this. But look at what it says. It says image generator. To create an AI image, enter your prompt. And so now I can go into the settings and integrations to configure the AI block right there. So I can go into settings right over there, integrations, and then I can scroll down, open AI, and then copy your OpenAI key, OpenAI API key, and paste it here. Now, this is really good because then it will connect to my account, all of those things. And I'm almost 100%. You want to do that because then it's going to give you options for the tokens, right? When people are generating these things, then it will be connected to your credit card. I'm almost positive that that's what it is right there. Makes sense, especially if people are generating all of these things. Can get kind of expensive if Software did all those things. That might be the thing. But look at this. In one click, I already have a site that I can be doing and create my own micro SaaS. I could be charging someone for this, maybe a preview here, and then they could get the full bundle or do something else if they sign in and go from there. If you remember our boy Mark Fletcher from ThinkC, he created this with Bubble. Remember, it was create your own stock images for the web using artificial intelligence. He did this with Bubble, and this is where he was creating photo, what is it? Yeah, stock photos just using Dolly 2. Guess what? Software is allowing you to create a whole micro SaaS in just a few clicks. This is just the beginning of what's happening in AI using OpenAI, Dolly 2, and also too Chat GPT coming up in the future. It does not have an API right now, but learning how to use these different products under OpenAI is going to allow you to start creating your own business fast. So, in the comment section, let me know, what are you trying to build? What's going on with AI? What questions do you have? And if this is something you like, make sure that you like and subscribe. All right, everybody. Bye bye. Talk to you soon.